In this video, you'll learn about printing labels in WorldShare Record Manager Simplified Cataloging. After watching this video, you should be able to create a label print list and create or select a label template, send records to the label print list, edit labels as needed, print labels, and delete labels once they've been printed. Simplified Cataloging provides many options for labels. In addition to spine labels, you can print processing labels with data such as call number, author, and title. In this video, we'll demonstrate just a few of the basic options for spine labels. Detailed information on all options is available in Help. Before printing labels, you'll want to select or create a label template and create a label print list. For this example, I'll create a new template for spine labels. To do this, I'll click My Labels, then Label Templates. For this example, I'll create a new template. I'll name the template Spine Labels. Then select the label format SP1, which is for a single spine label. If needed, I can make adjustments to the margins and spacing for the page, as well as height, width, and margins for the labels. For this example, I'll accept the defaults. Next, I need to specify label content settings, so I'll click to expand that accordion. For this example, I want to print just a call number, and I don't need any automatic stamps, such as reference, so I'll scroll down to Label Setup. For content of the first line, I'll select Classification Part. For content of the second line, I'll select Item Part Cutter. I can customize font, size, style, and alignment, but for this example, I'll accept the defaults. Then at the top of the screen, I'll click Save. A confirmation message displays. To return to the list of label templates, I'll click Go Back. I'll click the arrow so that the template I just created will display first on the label print list, and I'll also set it as a default so that it will appear selected on the label print list. I'll click Save, and a confirmation message displays. Next, I'll create a label print list. I'll select that from the left navigation. For this example, I'll create a new label print list by clicking that button. I'll name my label print list Spine Labels. Under Layout, I'll select the label template I just created, Spine Labels. Then at the top of the screen, I'll click Save. A confirmation message displays. To return to the list of label list, I'll click Go Back. I'll set this new list as a default by clicking that button. Now let's see how to add labels to the label print list. In order to send a record to the label print list, your holdings must be set. In this example, I'm on the Add Local Data screen. I've selected my desired call number type, in this case Dewey, and I've entered my desired call number in that field and the item number or cutter in that field. I've already set holdings and exported. So from the Send To menu, I'll click Label Print List. My default label print list is selected, so I'll click Send. A confirmation message displays. On the Add Local Data screen, I'll click Close. I've already added several other records to the label print list, so now we'll see how to print the labels. I'll click My Labels, and then Label Print List. I'll click the label print list name, Spine Labels, to open it. The top portion of the screen shows the records that are included in the list. The bottom portion of the screen shows an editable preview of the labels. For this example, the encyclopedia is 2 volumes, so I need 2 labels with a volume number added to each. I can change the count to 2. Then in the label preview section, I can edit each label by clicking the Edit button. I'll add the volume number and then click Go Back. And then I'll do the same thing for the second volume. And again, click Go Back. When I'm ready to print, I'll click the Print button. Use your web browser's printing functions to print the labels. After you've printed the labels, you can delete the labels from the list and use the same list again, or you can delete the entire list. To delete specific labels from the list, select the checkbox for each label you want to delete, then click Delete Selected. Or to delete all labels, select Delete All. This video has demonstrated only a few of the many options for labels. For more information on other options, please visit help.oclc.org, where you can also find additional documentation and training for simplified cataloging, as well as contact information for OCLC support in your region.